Hello, store owners. Today, I'll give you a quick tour of the Wholesale Suite dashboard, the command center for your whole wholesale business. But first, here on my shop page, you can see the special wholesale pricing that my logged in wholesale customers enjoy. Now let's head behind the scenes and see how it all comes together. Let's head straight into the wholesale dashboard. This is your wholesale command center, and it's completely separate from WooCommerce Analytics, so it focuses only on your wholesale activity. Right at the top, the Quick Stats panel gives me my wholesale orders and revenue at a glance, and I can adjust the date range up here, switching to the last 7 days to zoom in on recent performance. Scrolling down, the top wholesale customers list shows my highest performing buyers, which is perfect for spotting who deserves a reward or a custom pricing deal. And just below that, recent wholesale orders shows my latest transactions, where I can open any single order or jump straight to the full orders list. For deeper insights, I'll head over to the reports page. It opens on the sales overview, showing my total wholesale revenue and how it stacks up against retail. You can filter every report by date range or wholesale role, and I'll flip on this comparison toggle to measure one period against another. Now, let me explore the other reports from this drop-down. Product Sales Overview ranks my top products by volume and revenue. Product Performance Analytics breaks that down further with detailed charts and category insights. And Order Insights reveals my average order value, plus how many buyers are new versus returning. And that's your complete tour of the Wholesale Suite dashboard. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.